A delightful day to you, my dear learners. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you will join me in my reading tutorials. I know you are all ready. So, let's start.
My dear learners, today I will teach you how to read words and sentences with at family. Are you ready?
Okay, let's begin.
Book at. Now, let us read this word. Bat. Again, bat.
Congratulations.
G. At. Now, let us read this word. Get. Again, get.
Great job.
J. At. Jet. Again, jet.
Nice one, kids.
L. At. Let. Again, let.
Very good, kids.
At. Now, let us read this word. Met. Again, met.
Well done.
At. Net. Again, net.
You are amazing.
At. Now, let us read this word. Pat. Again, pat.
You're doing great.
At. Now, let us read this word. Set. Again, set.
Very good, kids.
At. Now, let us read this word. Vet. Again, vet.
Well done.
Hook at. Wet. Again, wet.
Great job.
Bat. Get. Jet. Let. Met. Net. Pet. Set. Vet. Wet.
Congratulations.
Sentences. It is a net. Get the wet net. My pet is hen. Set of net in the jet.
Congratulations. You made it, kids.
Thank you for watching. To watch this video offline, you can download this video anytime. If you want to read with me, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye, learners. See you soon.
If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe.